Okay, so we're out here. We're gonna try and photograph some deer. It's early in the morning, which is your best chance. We know they've been crossing this field. We had a game camera up for about a week, and you could see them crossing the field. So we're gonna bring the blind, stand behind it, and just see what happens. Basically, this is a hot spot for the deer, so our best chances of seeing a whitetail this morning is right in this field over here. Put a towel down for photography equipment. So you can go like this. You can take a memory card out or change a battery without getting in on the wet grass. We're on aperture priority. ISO 800. We can bring that down a little bit now that the sun's coming up. 5.6. Our shutter speeds are hovering around 200th of a second when we're pointing it up at the tree line.